Today, I'm going to teach you how to hide self-view on Zoom. This is a really useful feature if you find your own video distracting during meetings and want to focus entirely on other participants instead of watching yourself on screen. First, go ahead and open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your email and password correctly to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to join or start meetings from your Zoom dashboard. Next, you'll need to join a meeting. This is important because in order to enable the Hide Self-View feature, you must first have other participants join your meeting. The feature won't be available if you're the only person in the call, so wait until at least one other person has joined before proceeding with the next steps. Once you're in the meeting with other participants, take a look at your video preview. This is the small thumbnail that shows your own video feed, usually positioned among the other participant videos. Hover your mouse over your video preview and keep it there for a moment. You'll notice that three dots appear in the top right corner of your thumbnail. These three dots represent the menu option for your video settings. Now, click on those three dots. A small menu will pop up with several options related to your video display. From this menu, click on Hide Self-View. As soon as you select this option, your video thumbnail will disappear from your screen. This doesn't mean other participants can't see you anymore. It simply means you won't see yourself during the meeting. Everyone else will still see your video feed as normal, but you'll only see the other participants on your screen. This can help reduce distractions and make you feel more comfortable during long meetings. If at any point you want to bring your video back and see yourself again, it's really simple to reverse this. Just click on View in the top right toolbar of your Zoom window. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Show Self-View. Your video thumbnail will immediately reappear on your screen, and you'll be able to see yourself alongside the other participants once again. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to hide and show your self-view on Zoom, giving you complete control over whether you want to see yourself during meetings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.